Welcome to High Park! Hi everyone! Welcome to the lake in High Park. And there's the mother duck and there's a lot of baby duck there. Hi everyone! Life-saving equipment. So value your life, save your life. This way, no intermittent of walkway and stairs. Okay. Everyone, I saw the peacock, and the colorful one is the male, and the female, it's not that colorful, but in reality, female is colorful, is sheep. If you're hungry, I think this one is very tasty. I think so. Yeah. But here, you're not allowed to eat, only just look and see. Let's see more animals. So this one is from the descendants of Barbaras. Descendants of Barabbas, Barbaras. This is the sheep. It's called Barbary sheep because there's two horns. Horns are hollow and made of hard skin. And the sheep introduced in South Europe and other places. And their skin is very expensive if you will sell it. But please don't kill them. This one is sleeping. So they're sleeping, they're very sleepy. You cannot see bison because there are bison. So those who eat meat, remember you're eating that kind of animals. How beautiful are they? So from here I will explain for you the map because I'm very good. So from here, this is the entrance. So you will go here and then just follow. And then right now we are in maybe here. Tama. Then later we will go there.